Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Now we start on chapter 5, Mathematical Finance. Chapter 5 consists of 4 subtopics: 5.1 Simple Interest, 5.2 Simple Discount, 5.3 Compound Interest, and last part of chapter 5 is 5.4 Annuity. So today's topic is 5.1 Simple Interest. These are the learning outcomes for this lesson. Simple interest is interest payable on the amount of principal only. Means that interest earned for each period only on the original principal. Means interest is not reinvest. For example, if a principal P is borrowed or invest at a simple interest rate of R% per annum, the simple interest I charge is given by I equal to PRT. And the total amount S after 3 years is given by sum equal to principal plus interest, where interest equal to PRT. So we have S equal to P plus PRT, where I is simple interest, P is principal, R is simple interest rate per year, T is time period in years, S total amount after 3 years. Therefore, we have the formula S equal to P1 plus RT. Example 1. Ali borrows 10,000 ringgit from a bank at a simple interest rate of 4% per year for 3 years. We know that 10,000 is principal. At a simple interest rate of 4%, this is R. R is 4%, so 4 over 100 is 0.04. And duration is 3 years, so T equal to 3. Find simple interest. Simple interest is given as I equal to PRT, where P is 10,000, R is 0.04, and T is 3 years. This given a simple interest of 1,200 ringgit. And then find the total amount. Total amount is given as S equal to P1 plus RT. P is 10,000 ringgit. 1 plus R is 0.04. T is 3 years. This given a sum of 11,200. Example 2. Puan Rosmah deposit RM500 at 12% simple interest for 6 months. How much will she receive at the end of the term? So she deposit 500. 500 is her principal. 12% is R. 0.12. Simple interest. So this is the keyword. Simple interest for 6 months means T is 6 over 12. Therefore, we have principal of 500, R equals 0.12, T is 6 over 12. How much will she receive at the end of term? Means total sum. Draw a timeline. So, Puan Rosmah deposit RM500, principal equal to 500 in the beginning. Duration is 6 months. She wants to know how much she will receive, so she's looking for the sum. And sum is given by S equal to P1 plus RT. P is 500. 1 plus R is 0.12. T is 6 over 12. And this will give us 530 ringgit. Therefore, Puan Rosmah will receive RM530 ringgit at the end of term. Example 3. A loan of 2,000 ringgit is made for 175 days at a simple interest rate of 8% per annum. What is the interest charge if it is calculated by ordinary rate? Ordinary rate means 360 days per year. And exact rate means 365 days per year. So for ordinary rate, or for this question, we have P equal to 2,000, R is 8%, so 8 over 100, and T is 175 days divided by 360. Interest is given by I equal to PRT. Substitute value of P equal to 2,000, R is 8 over 100, and T is 175 divided by 360. We have interest of RM 77 ringgit 78 cent. And for exact rate 365 days, also we have principal of 2,000, rate is 8 over 100, and duration is 175 days divided by 365. And also I equal to PRT, where P is 2,000, R is 8/100 and T is 175 divided by 365 equal to RM 76 ringgit and 71 cent. The interest charge for ordinary rate is 77 ringgit and 78 cent, and for exact rate is 76 ringgit and 71 cent. Example 4, Mastercard charge 1.5% per month on the average balance as the finance charge. What is the finance charge or interest for 1 month on the average balance of 248 ringgit? So we have 1.5% per month. This is the R per month on the average balance. What is the finance charge or interest means we are looking for I for 1 month on the average balance of 248 ringgit. So this is the principal. So we have P equal to 248, R equal 1.5 divided by 100 is 0.015, and T equal to 1. Okay, charge per month and interest for 1 month means the duration is the same. Interest is given by I equal to PRT, where P is 248 and R is 0.015 and T equal to 1, equal to RM 3 ringgit and 72 cent. Example 4, on 1st January of 2008, Hidayat saved 1,200 in an account that pays 8.6% per annum simple interest. 3 years later, he added another 500 into the same account. Find the amount in his account on 1st January of 2013. Let's draw the timeline since we have multiple principal in one account. On 1st January 2008, he put 1,200. 3 years later means on 1st January of 2011, duration here is T equal to 3 years. He add another 500 into the account. And then he wants to find what's the total amount he has on 1st January of 2013. 2013 is 2 years from 2011. So the amount here is S. Okay, since we have two principal, 1,200 and 500 means we have interest from here and here. Okay, one way to find the sum is first we find the sum on the first 3 years where S1 is from 1,200. So this is R, this is P1, this is P2. S1 is from P1, 1 plus RT. So P1 is 1,200, 1 plus, so R is 0.086 and duration is 3 years, where this gives us RM 1,509 ringgit 60 cent. The final sum is S2 equal to P2 1 plus RT. So P2 is from S1 and another 500 that he add into the account, 1 plus RT. S1 is 1,509 and 60 cent plus 500. 1 plus R is 0.086. T is 2 years. This total will be 2,355 ringgit 25 cent. So this is the final amount in his account on 1st January of 2013. Example 6. A certain sum of money is invested now. This investment will be worth 5,500 after 15 months and 5,800 after 24 months. Find the original principal and the simple interest rate that was offered. So look at the timeline. So the original principal will be put in here, P, which is we do not know. Now means 0. And then this investment will be worth 5,500. This is S. S equal to 5,500 after 15 months and equal to 5,800 after 24 months. And we need to find P and R. So let's use the formula for S. S equal to P1 plus RT, where S is 5,500. For P, unknown, 1 plus R. R is 15 months, so 15 over 12. The other S is 5,800. P unknown, 1 plus R. R is 24 over 12. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Simultaneous equation 2 divided by 1 give us 5,800 equal to P1 plus 2R divided by 5,500 P1 plus 15 over 12R. Simplify, we get 58 over 55. 1 plus 2R divided by 1 plus 15 over 12R. Simultaneous equation, 58, 1 plus 15 over 12R equal to 55, 1 plus 2R. R equal to 0.08. And R is rate, so 0.08 times 100 equal to 8%. And then subs R equal to 0.08 into 2 to find principal. So 5,800 equal to P, 1 plus 2, R is 0.08. So for P, 5,800 equal to 1.16. P equal to RM 5,000. Therefore, the original principal is RM 5,000 and the simple interest rate is 8%. Mariana invests RM 30,000 into account, some at 12% per annum and the rest at 8% per annum. Her total interest for 1 year was RM 3,200. How much was invested at each rate? So we have 30,000 into account. This will be her principal. 12% is R, the first R, and this is the second R. R1 and R2. The total interest for 1 year was 3,200. This is I. How much was invested at each rate? So we need to find P for the first and second R. Let X equal to money invest in first account and Y money invest in second account. So total invested means money from both accounts, X plus Y, and total money she has is 30,000. This is the first equation. Second, total interest. Interest is 3,200. So interest is PRT equal to 3,200. This is equation 2. And since we have two accounts, so we have two interests, one from each account. Total is 3,200. I1 is from principal 1, RT, and I2 is from principal 2, equal to 3,200. So P1 is X from account 1, R is 0.12%, T is 1 year, plus P2 is Y, R is 0.08, and duration is also 1 year, equal to 3,200. Simplify, we have 0.12x plus 0.08y equal to 3,200. This is the second equation. And then simultaneous, substitute y equal to 30,000 minus x into 2. So 0.12x plus 0.08, y is 30,000 minus x equal to 3,200. So for x, x equal to 20,000. And then sub for y, y is 30,000 minus x, where x is 20,000, so y equal 10,000. Therefore, she must invest RM 20,000 at 12% and 10,000 at 8%. The last example, Aki needs 6,000 in 3 years' time. Now he saved 3,000 in an account that pays 7% per annum, simple interest. Find the amount that he must add 2 years from now so that he can accumulate the 6,000. So he needs 6,000 in 3 years time, means the total amount he needs is 6,000, and 3 years time means T equal to 3. Now he saved 3,000 in the account. This is the principal at pays 7% per annum, means this is R. Find the amount he must add 2 years from now so that he can accumulate the 6,000. Means the 3,000, the first principal, does not accumulate 6,000. He needs to add more money between the 3 years time here after 2 years so that he can accumulate 6,000. Look at the timeline. The principal is 3,000. So he put 3,000 now at R equal to 7%. After 2 years time, he need to add more money. So he can accumulate total of 6,000 at the end of 3 years time. We know S equal to 6,000. S is P1 plus RT equal to 6,000. Since we have 2P, first principal is from 3,000 ringgit that he put at the beginning, and the second principal is the amount he add after 2 years. So P1 plus 1 plus RT plus P2 1 plus RT equal to 6,000. So P1 we know is 3,000 ringgit, 1 plus R is 0.07. Duration of the first principal is the whole 3 years. Okay, we put 3 years since the first principal 3,000 we still earn interest throughout the 3 years, even we add more money in between. So duration for interest of this principal will be 3 years, and then P2 is what we're looking for, X. 1 plus R is 0.07. T, the duration for the added amount is between 2 years and 3 years, means T equal to 1 equal to 6,000. So simplify, solve for X. 3630 plus 1.07x equal to 6,000. X equal to RM 2,240 ringgit 95 cent. So he must add another 2,240 ringgit with 95 cent so that he can accumulate the 6,000. And this is your exercise.